Welcome back to Opalson's Garage. Obviously, I'm not Matt, but today we're working on my car. Finally getting my car in here after how many months? Almost a year, right? I think.
Well, we brought in your other car.
Yeah, that didn't work out too well. Yeah, we found out the frame on that one was completely rotted, and just it wasn't worth trying to work on that anymore. So that's going to be going to the scrapyard once I get a title. So, working on my my actual running car. I'm doing the clutch on it. I got a few other things to do, but the main thing is the clutch. We've already started on it, so it's half torn apart already, but yeah, this will be fun.
Yeah, I'm not very good at this, remembering to bring the cameras or have the batteries charged or the memory cards empty, so I did prepare it for today, and I totally forgot them, so we got going, and I was like, oh yeah, I should grab the cameras. So, let's go. Down here, I've already got the cross brace off, and I discovered that this stud here goes through it up there, and we have to lift the engine up, as Eric's making a bunch of noise.
Yep.
To get this brace out. You took the tool away, didn't you?
Huh?
You took the tool away, didn't you?
What tool? Well, I have the
Yeah, the wrench.
yeah, right here. But the whole thing spins. See, that's what that's for.
We don't need that.
Yeah, we do need that. I want to be able to stop when this is done. That's smacky.
Well, I might need that to get this off.
Uh-huh, yeah. Mister, we don't need that.
I'm gonna edit that out of the video. You didn't see that. Ow.
I didn't feel a thing.
That's what she said.
You hope she doesn't say that.
So I'm guessing this project is not get it done this weekend, it's just get it done whenever.
I mean, if we can get it done this weekend, that'd be great. I mean, we're both off Monday and Tuesday, so.
It's not the 4th of July weekend. I don't know what you're talking about, Eric. I need a 10 mil.
I think it's a 12 actually. Because the other side was 12.
12. Well, I don't have 12.
Yes, you do have 12.
You didn't hand me these tools.
We need more air pressure.
Yeah, I think you're going to need to turn the air compressor on. I don't know if I like this ratchet for this.
Well, it works, right?
Oh, now I need a hammer.
Might as well take the axle nut out. Where's the hammer?
I just used the socket.
Good, because I don't know what you did with the hammer.
I put it back in the toolbox.
What the? What is this for?
It's the midget hammer.
Yeah, no kidding.
I think Eric's forgotten how I do things.
I got the other one out just fine. There you go. Yay!
Yay!
Well, a moment of truth, I guess. We're about to find out if how close we are to pulling this out.
It's just a little bumper rubbage.
I mean, it's not like the bumper's not damaged anyways.
By the way, Eric, you're supposed to loosen this.
You didn't tell me that.
Alright, I'm gonna try to get light in here just perfectly so you guys hopefully can see what I'm seeing. I was starting to like Toyotas, but once again, as the air compressor interrupts me, how stupid are engineers? You see this? It's a inserted thread into stamped steel. Instead of it being welded, it's pressed in. So when we were taking the nuts off that are all rotted out on these studs down here, both of them, they just broke loose and spun. Stupid. You turn the camera on.
Yeah. Well, it's day 2, and Matt's getting ready to head underneath to cut those bolts that, well, yeah, they're, I don't understand why they did them like that, but.
I didn't go see anything.
Yeah, I was wondering about if you're going to see anything or not. Matt's being a little lazy. But, I think we got all the bolts out. This is another problem that I have is one of the last times I tried to work on this, I took the starter off and it, yeah, as you can see, it broke. So we're gonna have to try and beat that out when trans comes out. But now the next hurdle is to separate the trans from the engine block. This ought to be fun. Well, that was a pain.
Sorry you missed it all. It was kind of a struggle to hold the camera and drop the trans.
Especially because I was pretty much bear hugging the trans and holding it from falling out.
Hopefully when we get that trans mount out, it'll stop that from happening.
Yeah, hopefully. Now the question is to figure out how to get it out. So, just for a little update, we had to drop the subframe out to get that off. Matt's working on the those back 2 studs. Getting those cut off, that's a pain in the butt.
I wish I had an air chisel.
I got one in my house. Well, thanks to Matt for crawling underneath there. It should be out now. Of course, I have no room. Okay, give me a second. Can you reach it? I couldn't even reach it. Yay, it's out. And guess what else will be able to fall out?
Junk.
We can also pull the cross member out and get that mount off. It only took dropping the subframe to do all that. Stupid Toyota.
So, Eric brought his car over here so we could put a clutch in it. But he has some problems. They need an exhaust system, apparently. How's it going?
Oh, it's just going great. What did I do? I don't fit underneath here. This is uncomfortable. What did I do with those 2 washers? These are my freaking 9.
So the transmission is back in. New starter, since that broke when he tried to take it out back at his house. He has a replacement valve cover. His was broken when he took it off. As you see, the lovely shiny long tube header is on. And I don't know if you can make it out above Eric's fat body. There's the shiny exhaust system all the way to the back.
You show them the best part?
And when I took the muffler off yesterday, there was a surprise of a rotted out body. As clean as this car is for a Michigan car.
I was pissed. Oh, I guess we're recording. Well, except for the battery, everything's put back together. I'm actually getting ready to put the tire on this side. Matt's buttoning up a few things on the other side, and then the tire can go back on for his side. It's a big moment. It doesn't stick to the floors.
You need the tripod for that.
Now I need a socket. Well, driver's side's done.
Oh shit.
Now what?
I didn't take that sensor.
Well, I was about to say that the car's done, and then Matt had to go say that. So, kill me, Paul. Yay, we're done.
Woohoo!
Well, aside
So
from
excited!
finally completed with the shiny new exhaust.
Well, it's back together. Here's it starting. Hopefully.
Oh, it's gonna run like shit.
Hold the throttle. Boy, it sounds like that even with the silencer on. Hello, Smokey. Well, Eric, are you happy with your racer?
Yes.